Hi friends, welcome back to channel iQOO. In this one I'm going to do the gaming benchmark test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus Realme X1 Max device. So this is my first time doing this kind of gaming benchmark comparison side by side. The main reason is because few of the users did request me to upload this video. So comparing both phones in terms of the gaming benchmarks. So this is a test which I'm trying to do even after the recent software update which both phones did get. I think yesterday only I did get the update, and I think a couple of days back I did get in the Realme X1 Max. So Snapdragon 870 chipset versus Dimensity 1200 chipset. So this test gonna check the CPU and the GPU performance levels as well, and in this way we'll be able to get to know what is happening in terms of the gaming benchmark, which phone is really powerful. So right now, as you can see, all the apps are completely clean in both phones. There is no running background applications at this moment, and I need to use the high refresh rate because this game actually demonstrates high refresh rate capabilities as well. So let me show you exactly what is the settings I'm trying to use, because let me show you, I'm trying to use only 120 Hz. It's not in the auto, it's only 120 Hz. And now let me clear the settings and let's open this gaming benchmark application. So this is my first time, friends, doing this kind of comparison, and if you're interested in other phones, if you want to know more details, let me know in the comment section below what phones you want me to compare this gaming benchmark comparison, and I'm really interested to see which phone will have what kind of results. So this application includes the real-time floating FPS meter. So real-time FPS meter, minimum FPS meter, maximum and average FPS meter. So there will be all these categories. So which is also similar in the iQOO 7 as well. Minimum, maximum and the average. You can clearly see. And there is different graphic settings which you can actually select: low quality, medium and the high and ultra. But during this time of demonstration, I'll definitely select the ultra settings only in both phones. You can see ultra settings is enabled. So both phones I did select to the same settings only. Let me need to start the test devices. So let me need to reset the statistics. Everything is resetted. As you can see, the stats has been reset in both phones. And at this moment in the beginning, you can see the average FPS is maintaining around 51, 52 FPS. In the Realme X1 Max, it's maintaining 40 FPS. You can clearly see. I'm not using any kind of high performance mode, nothing I'm trying to use. I did reset the complete FPS count, and now you will be able to see what is happening. So slightly the Snapdragon 870 has got a little bit kind of high performance, but let's see the test device. Let me try to click on the test device at the same time, 1, 2 and 3. So right now the test is going on between these both phones. Now we will be able to see exactly what is happening. So which phone is maintaining what kind of refresh rate. So this gaming benchmark will play some kind of video in a simulation, as you can clearly see, which will test the performance of the phone, how it's maintaining and what kind of FPS it's maintaining. So iQOO 7 is maintaining around 43 FPS, 43, 44, and Realme X1 Max is getting about 33 only. And the maximum iQOO 7 went up to 68 is the maximum FPS, and 66 is the maximum went in the Realme X1 Max. This is using with the ultra settings. So these are maxed out graphic settings I'm trying to use. And during this time, definitely the temperatures will slightly increase, I think so. You can see the temperature slightly 1 degree higher in the Realme X1 Max when compared with the iQOO 7 device. But average FPS is maintaining really high in the iQOO 7 device. You can clearly see 34. It fell down to 34 in the Realme X1 Max. So even I'm not sure, friends, because this is my first time doing this kind of gaming benchmarks, and then I got to know this kind of results, because I think 1 or 2 subscribers, they did mention a couple of times in the comments asking me to make a video using gaming benchmark. So here we go. This is a gaming benchmark, and the results are quite shocking to see, because average it's maintaining higher in the iQOO 7 device, but only 37 in the Realme X1 Max, but without using any kind of high performance mode and ultra game mode, nothing enabled. So without using any kind of, as I said, no boosters is enabled. The Snapdragon 870 and Dimensity 1200, how it's performing, you can clearly see side by side. I'll try to perform similar kind of testings with other devices as well. Then we'll be able to understand better what is going on with the smartphones in terms of the benchmarks and everything. It's very smooth in the iQOO 7 device. It's very smooth. 53 and 38. It's kind of lag. You can see it's kind of lagging in the Realme X1 Max a little bit. It's not that smooth in the Realme X1 Max. But the temperature seems to be increasing slightly kind of higher and higher. Let's check the temperatures. 37 degrees and 36.6 degrees. Very kind of close to each other. Nothing much huge difference between temperatures, and so let's see the final results, what happens, and the test should not take much time. So the test should be completely finished. Bye now. So overall, the iQOO 7 was able to maintain really good stable performance results. Stable. You can see the average is 50 and average is 35. And maxed out, maximum is 68. And minimum is only 28 in the iQOO 7 device, but minimum is 13 in the Realme X7 Max. During this process of testing, you can clearly see what is happening. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a quick gaming benchmark comparison between both phones. I think you got a clear idea what is going on between these both devices in terms of the benchmark wise if you try to select. And thank you for watching. These are ultra settings only I'm trying to demonstrate. And see you in the next video and let's see for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.